Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I usually do unboxing, restorations and review videos of old phones. But today I'm going to do an unboxing video of, well, not a phone, but a pretty awesome tool from Xiaomi. How was it called again? The Xiaomi electric precision screwdriver. Oh, it also has me in it. So let's begin. So here it is. This is how the package looks like. And let me turn off a light. There we go. It looks pretty premium as a package. I like it. So let's begin. Starting with this. So on the front, this is the product, the Xiaomi Mi precision screwdriver, electric screwdriver actually. It says all the bits that it has inside, different languages, its dimension, weight, etc. 24 high quality precision bits. 2-gear torque adjustment, depending on what you're using for phones or laptops. That's what they say, at least. Well, first thing we have here, it's a USB Type-C cable to USB-A. Oh, some manuals. Warranty notice. And I'm guessing this is the declaration of conformity. Oh, I can just pull all this out. The box is empty now. The first box, that is. It's empty now. Nice packaging. Ooh, like what I see here. Manual maximum torque 3 Newton meter. Nice. Enjoy work. Thank you. And this is how you take it out, by pressing it. Nice. Very nice. Now let's look at this kit. These are the bits which look pretty quality to me. Actually like the aesthetics. Oh, this is for magnetization. And this is the screwdriver itself. To turn right and left. This must be the charging port right here. Go to first gear. Out of focus like it. Pretty cool. Let me try something. Oh, these are magnetic. Nice. It also has magnet in the top here for the bits. Okay, that hurt my finger. It really has force in it. Let me go get a phone for testing. Let's try to test on these screws. I'm guessing it was This is it. Yep, this must be it. So left. Neat. Now let's screw it back in. Nice. Now let me try the second torque as a control. It's the same speed, just different power, actually torque. Let me try like this. Now let's try the second torque. It has strength, not gonna lie. So I'll see it into action in my next videos. I really wanted this thing. Nice. So until then, I'll let it charge. Pretty cool. Pretty strong rubber. Now let this charge in peace. The LED is turned red now, it's charging. So I'll leave it like this to charge, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe, it helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye bye.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.